Hello everyone, this is Princey again, and today we will be learning the two-way XLOOKUP. So here we have a data table wherein we have the product names and the sales of these products in different regions. Now our objective is to get the sales value when we select a particular product for a particular region. For example, if we have entered notebooks here and we want to see how much is the sale of notebooks in the west region, we should get 8902 as the output. So let's see how to do it. We will say x lookup value. We want to look for the notebooks, so we will select notebooks, comma, where do we want to look for? We want to look for in this column, comma, now return array. Now since the return arrays are different columns, like if it is region will be north, it will be C column, then if south, then T column, likewise. So to simplify that, we will use another XLOOKUP inside the original XLOOKUP. So let's say XLOOKUP. Now we want to look for region. So we'll select this region column, region cell, comma, lookup array. We want to look for in this cells, comma. What do we want to return? We want to return these columns. Like if north is found, so it will return this. If south is found, it will return this range. Likewise. If not found, we want to say not found. We will say region not found. Region not found, comma. For match model, we will say exact match, comma. Search mode. For search mode, we will say search first to last. One. You can even skip these fields as the fields in the square brackets are optional. It will take 0 and 1 by default. Bracket close. Now, for the original VLOOKUP, it is asking if not found, what should it return? It should return not found. And then again the match mode 0, that is exact match, comma. Search mode is the search first to last, so 1, bracket close and enter. So we got the value for notebooks in west region. Now if we change it to say pencils and we change it to say east, so we get this pencils and in the east region 97,137. Thanks for watching. I hope you are liking these tricks and the ways to use a single formula in different types of circumstances. And please do put your comments so that it motivates me to make more such videos, and also do give your suggestions if any. Thank you.